When your money cheating, baby come we can fuck on him. We no be keep it a secret. Make him know say I'm me a fucking. Bun for bun, get time for your fun. Left your man and come for round one.
Hello guys, it's Sophia and I'm back with another video. So today I'm in the airport right now and it's Tuesday the 27th and I am going to Cancun, Mexico for Nini's birthday. I'm with her sister and her cousin, but Nini is on a different flight, but we have the same flight. So she already went. She lands around the same time as she has a layover, but we go straight to Cancun at 10. But we're just at the airport now because we all came together. Yeah, so come with me to Cancun, Mexico. Okay guys, so we just made it through. We checked in our bags and we made it through security. Now we are just going to wait for a flight. It's currently, what time is it?
7:35.
It's 7:35 and our flight's at 10:10, so we have quite a few of time right now. Do I want to say hi to my vlog? So yeah, so we're about to be on. I'll be back when we board. All right. Okay guys, so I'm back. We're currently eating breakfast. It's not really breakfast, but it's the morning, but we're eating lunch food. Because it's, open, so we're eating Panda Express. What'd you say?
This is a very vibrational meal.
Period.
But I like it.
So we got Panda Express. This is my plate. I got teriyaki chicken, and I got sweet something chili chicken. I've never tried that, but I love teriyaki chicken. So yeah, and I also had Starbucks matcha, but I did finish it already. So that's that. But yeah, so we're just like eating right now. We're just waiting for us to board our flight. We board our flight at like 9:20. It's 8:30, around 8:36 right now, and we take off at 10:10. So yeah, and guys, I'm literally running off of no sleep. I mean, I did nap here and there. I did like two hours. Really?
I was like, good. She's sleeping.
I did like two hours sleep. Yeah, I think I'm good, but I'm still gonna sleep more because I like to sleep. So yeah, I'll probably film in the plane, but if I don't, then I'll see you guys in Mexico, and if I do, then I'll see you there. Bye. Alrighty guys, so we're currently boarding the plane right now. It's 9:30. Take off at 10:10. So we're boarding. My water spilled. So we're boarding now. So I'll see you guys. Bye. Okay, so I'm now in the plane. We are all separated, but it's fine. I'm next to the window. So I guess that's good. So I'll see you guys when we get there. Hello guys. So our flight was about I'm escalating. So our flight was about 2 hours and 30 minutes. So we currently just landed and we are going. So we have to go through immigration. Okay. But so we currently just landed and we are. Yeah, we're using. Oh, no pictures.
Don't worry.
So yeah, so let me continue where I stopped because we couldn't. When we landed, we couldn't record inside the airport in the Cancun airport because of the immigration stuff. So I just did it outside. But we landed. We're getting our taxi. We're gonna go pick up Nini from her terminal, and then we're gonna go to our hotel. So I will see you guys very soon. So he's currently taking our bags to the car, but I'm rolling mine because he's only one person. But we're gonna go pick up Nini. So guys, Nini has joined us. She has joined us. She had a rough journey, but that's not gonna affect us.
But she made
She made it.
God willing, we made it.
Thank you, Laura.
I was looking for Wi-Fi everywhere.
So don't worry, we are all set.
Yeah.
Now
I was scared that my phone.
we're just with our driver taxi, and then we're just going to our hotel. This is where we're staying. Why do I look so dry though? Ocean Dream. We are here. Look at how beautiful Mexico is. Like, wow. This is where we're staying. We're staying at Ocean Dream. I'm gonna show you guys the back of this hotel. It's so nice. It's so nice. It has a whole beachfront. Like, it's beautiful. Like, you guys need to see it. I'll show you guys, don't worry. But yeah, we're here and we're just gonna get checked in. I'm gonna be back to show you guys our room. Okay guys, so we just got into our room. It's really nice actually. Let me show you. So this is me and Nini's room. This is our room. We have a TV. We have a fridge. And look at this beautiful, beautiful balcony, guys. Like, this is beautiful. Like, wow.
So beautiful.
It's it's really high. Like, I'm really scared of heights.
No, I'm so scared.
But that's why I'm not going over that. Then let me show you guys. Look at this nice mirror. And then this is our closet. The restroom is pretty small though.
I'm so excited.
That's the only thing. But this is the sink, mirror. Ooh, they got a vanity. This is the shower. Ooh, I like the shower style. I should have bought bathroom slippers though. We can get that at the souvenir place. Okay guys, so we are back in the room. But we are already ready. Well, I'm already ready. We are going to Nini's birthday dinner at Taboo. I'm gonna record everybody's OOTDs, so stay tuned. But for right now, we are done and I'm ready to go. And I will pick up the camera when we're at the restaurant. Bye guys. This place is so pretty. Oh wow. This restaurant is beautiful. Like, I mean beautiful. Like, look at all this. Wow. Wow. Just look at our table.
Purchase your track today.
Y'all, it's so hot. I've been ripping and running all day today. Like, I'm tired. So we've made it to our excursion place. It's really nice. This is where the ATVs are. This was the place we booked with. It's called Extreme. Oh, so yes guys, we've made it to the excursion place. It's really, really nice. We're about to do our ATVs and everything. They picked us up. It was like an hour or 2 hour lot.
What do you mean? Everyone's got that bag.
Three zip lines, interactively, half an hour driving, half an hour swimming, and finally 2 tacos per person. But the drinks is not included. Only one special point. The cenote is very beautiful, and you're gonna stop only 30 minutes. But this cenote is very public.
Hey guys, so we just finished ATV riding. I was a complete mess, but we're done, and it was so fun. And I just went to myself, not fully, but I tried. So yeah. So now we are going to, I don't know where. Let's find out. Let's find out where we are going. Next location. Look at everybody's body, bro. Everybody's body. Show your body.
I watched well. Let me just say this. So I flipped on the ATV.
Yeah, she did.
I'm in pain, but we're gonna get liquor.
That's it. Period.
Commercial brand, that's why you're not gonna find that tequila never in your life. But guys, I'm gonna give you to try because of course.
So this is where we are. We're at a private place. We have VIP tickets. And basically after our excursions, we came to do tequila tasting, and we have unlimited food, we have unlimited drinks, unlimited everything. And this is where we are. Man, Mexico has been vibes. Like the scenery is beautiful, everything is beautiful. I love it. So yeah, I will see you guys when my tacos come out. Oh my gosh, she about to jump! Yeah! We got our food here. Yes! Yay! Thank you! So guys, we're back in our hotel. Let me tell you guys what happened to us. So we got back from our adventures. I know I didn't vlog after because, I don't know, we were so tired. Like we knocked out in the bus on our way back. But we got back and we came to our hotel room and the lights weren't working. We were like, what the heck? We're switching lights, we're popping lights. We're like, no, this can't be. We go downstairs, we're like, hey, our lights not working. They call maintenance upstairs. They try to make it work, but it didn't work, so they switched us to a new room. And let me show you guys this room. This room is so much better. I'm so much like Nini, tell them.
This room is lovely.
It's lovely.
More space, like, and mind you, we just came and our lights out of the whole, out of everyone in this hotel.
It's only ours that's off.
So that's
God works in mysterious ways. So this is our room. Me and Nini actually now have our own beds. We still have an outside view. We still have a balcony, which is really nice. We still have a balcony leading to everything. Our TV is nicely mounted on this thing, which is really nice. We have this nice mirror right here, even though we had one of those in the other rooms. Now the restroom is way bigger. Like, guys, it's bigger. So this is our shower. Then we have the toilet area, and then we have the sink area. And honestly, I like this so much better. Like, guys, look. Like, this is just way better. Like, way better. So yeah, that's really what just happened. So right now we're just gonna get ready and dressed because we're gonna go walk the strip and see the sceneries next to our hotel. Even though we're right next to everything and it's just so perfect. So you guys will come with us. I'll see you guys in just a minute. So hi vlog, so we are all dressed and ready for the walk. We're gonna go to walk the strip and we're just gonna, you know. So yeah, I'm so sorry about what just happened. Something like banged on our door, but we don't know what it was. Like, that was just so scary. Yeah, we're gonna go walk the strip. It was. We're about to go walk the strip right now.
And look at these pretty girls. I'm about to go out to shrimp. And I'm gonna show you guys what we see in adventures and everything. Look at my glasses, guys. Versace
Girl.
PH.
Yeah, we're just walking to the strip now. Sandals from Zara. So, oh. They're actually like so sweet here.
Yeah, they're pretty nice.
Like very nice. Good morning, vlog. So it is day 3 in Cancun, Mexico, and today we have we're going on a boat. It's like a boat party, and our destination is at Isla Mujeres island, and I'm so ready. Like, the weather is pretty windy right now, but I think everything is gonna be okay. So yeah, I'll show you guys my outfit. Okay guys, so this is my outfit. I'm wearing a swimsuit from Shein from a while ago actually. I'm wearing this cover up from like Target. I'm wearing these sandals I got from Justin. And this is my outfit for today. And I put my hair up like this. I don't think I ever got to tell you guys, but these are not my original outfits for the trip. So actually I ordered a car from Shein, but I ordered on like the 22nd, which was like the weekend before Christmas. And I don't know what I was thinking, that I was gonna come in on time, but it didn't. So it didn't. So it didn't. So yeah, I had to just go in stores and plan my outfit and work with what I had at home. So that was pretty like bummer. But I made it work out, and I guess I'm okay with it now. But my other outfit is gonna eat, but this eats too, I guess. So yeah, so I'll see you guys on the boat. Okay, vlog. Ugh. Change of plans. So our boat got canceled because of the weather. So we were scheduled for tomorrow. So today we're just gonna switch them. Tomorrow was supposed to be our beach day, so we're gonna go to the beach today. And then we're gonna go to the mall, we're gonna get something to eat. And then tomorrow we're gonna do the boat ride. So that's that. So I didn't really bring extra clothes, so I just had to wear this airport fit that I didn't wear to the airport. And then that's that. So yeah. See you guys later. Okay guys, so right now we are downstairs at our hotel and we are getting breakfast. we didn't go out because it's raining. So as soon as we're done eating, we're gonna wait for the rain to die down a bit, and then we're gonna go to the mall, and then after the mall we're gonna come back here and go to the beach. Let me show you that the view. So this is what I'm wearing. It's just an old swimsuit from Shein. Remember my Shein cart didn't come in on time. This is another swimsuit, and then it's a cover up, and this is my outfit, and then my Justin slides, and I'm gonna wear my beach bag. So yeah, here's the look. So we're now at the beach. We made it to the beach. It's so beautiful. They're cleaning off our canopies for us right now. This is so beautiful, guys. Here's my coconut, and here's our view. So here's our pool, and then our beach is up here. And then here's our bar and restaurant. And here's the pool bar as well. I'm trying to make content for y'all. But it's so cold in here.
It's freezing.
Hey guys.
Hey guys.
Hi to my vlog.
On this beach day.
Here, we had so much fun today. We had so much fun today. Like, even yesterday too. Yesterday was really fun.
So good. Like,
I'm just a bit upset that we couldn't bring our phones on the ATV.
bro, you know I was gonna. I tried to, but I wanted to bad. Like, I put my camera. I was like,
Yeah.
let me record like this. I was like, washing my hair like this. She's like, oh, baby, hi.
Oh
I really wanted to take them. I think I'm gonna buy them. I can't lie.
man.
But yeah.
But my phone is about to die, guys. So
Okay, another step. Let's go.
another step, Kay.
Yeah.
You know how short I am.
I'm sure that you.
I know you are.
I mean, I wish I could swim.
Me too.
I can
Like, you know, I can only swim.
dive
I can only swim like in water.
like this.
Nah, I can't swim.
Think.
Our clothes are gonna be.
I can swim.
Woo!
No,
I'm so sorry. I can't go inside. It's so cold. Look at the beach, guys, from here. And this is our hotel. This is the marinas. They're here to protect us. Okay guys, so I forgot to start the vlog in the room, but I have my light, so I'm gonna start it now. But we are all dressed up for dinner and we're gonna go to dinner. We're actually walking, it's a 12-minute walk. I'm in heels, so I don't know how I'm gonna do this, but we're gonna do it. So yeah. So our food is out and this looks amazing. Amazing. Let me see what you got, Mimi. To you, happy birthday, dear Nini. Happy birthday to you. Hey vlog, good morning. It's day 4 in Cancun, and right now we are on our way to the boat party. I'm so excited. Today is our full last day here, and tomorrow we go to the airport and we go back home. Honestly, I'm ready to go back home because I miss my regular life, but I'm going to really miss this vibe here. That's pretty much that. I can't wait for today though, because this boat is about to be very fun. So I want to show you guys everything that we go through today. Alrighty, everybody say good morning. Good morning. Good morning. And then this is the bus we're in. Okay guys, so we got into the boat area. We're just checking in right now before we get on the boat. I'm not feeling a little good right now, but we're gonna thug it out and see how I get better today.
Because you're gonna pay 50.
Una vez más, everybody say, todo el mundo vamos a decir, hola.
Hola!
Yeah.
We're on the
One more
boat!
time.
In Nigeria, it's their shop.
Wow. This reminds me of Nigeria so much.
Wow.
Del otro lado, ya que ahí tienen que pagar, y es la misma vista que van a tener. Aquí salen los primeros rayos del sol. Dios Amaya, Dios...
Alrighty, good morning, guys. Excuse my lashes, they're wet right now. But it's like 8:30 a.m. and today's our last day in Cancun. So we're about to head to the airport around 10 because Nini, Tammy, and Daniela's flight is at 2 a.m. and me and Nini's flight is at 4 a.m. So we're gonna be heading back to Houston, but right now we're just gonna go buy a few things for our siblings to take with us back, and then we're gonna eat breakfast and then we're gonna go. So I'll see you guys in the airport. All right, guys, so we're now heading to the airport. I'm really gonna miss our resort. It's so nice.